How to set up skills in Cursor AI. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the settings right here, and then go to rules, skills, and subagents right here. Now what you need to do is enable skills. So for me, it's enabled already. As you can see here, it's green. Then create a new skill. Let's go skill. And here it automatically generated a prompt. Help me create this skill for Cursor. Now I've written here the name is YouTube Writer, helps create YouTube scripts and titles or whatever. Let's run this prompt. Now let's choose personal here, make it available in all projects. Let's continue. Okay, so what happened now is it generated a skill. What we need to do now is click on the review button right here, click file, press Ctrl, Shift and P, then type open folder. And then choose an empty folder. I've created a folder called Cursor in my documents. I'm just going to choose this. Let's select the folder. Now you can just ask it to do a prompt using the skill. And there you go. It explored the skill.md. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.